PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti has stirred a massive controversy while addressing her first press conference since being released from a 14-month-long detention. Mehbooba said that she would not raise or hoist the national flag until Jammu and Kashmir's flag returns. The former Jammu and Kashmir chief minister in fact had two flags on her desk as she made the statement, that of her party PDP and the erstwhile flag of Jammu and Kashmir. Launching a scathing attack at the centre, Mehbooba said that the robber has to eventually return what's robbed. The BJP in response slammed Mehbooba for her remarks, saying that she was behaving like an agent of the enemy state. Mehbooba's PDP is part of the six-party grouping of mainstream Jammu and Kashmir parties called the Gupkar Alliance that seeks restoration of the special status of Jammu and Kashmir as it existed before August 5th last year.
जिस वक्त हमारा ये झंडा वापस आएगा हम उस झंडे को भी उठा लेंगे, मगर जब तक हमारा अपना झंडा डाकुओं ने डाके में ले लिया है तब तक हम किसी और झंडे को हाथ में नहीं उठाएंगे। और वो झंडा हमारे आईन का हिस्सा है। हमारा झंडा तो ये है और हमारा उस झंडे के रिश्ता इस झंडे ने बनाया है। इट इज नॉट इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ दिस फ्लैग, जो हमारा इस मुल्क के झंडे के साथ रिश्ता है। जिस वक्त हमारे हाथ में ये झंडा आएगा हम वो झंडा भी उठा लेंगे। What they want is a territory. टेरिटरी तो इनके पास थी 2019 5 अगस्त तक जायज तरीके से थी, मगर जब इन्होंने एक रिश्ता तोड़ दिया जिसकी वजह से हमने इनके साथ इल्हाक किया था, एक्सेशन किया था, we had acceded to a liberal, democratic, secular India. We are not compatible, we are incompatible to today's India जो इस वक्त इन्होंने बनाया है, जहां माइनॉरिटी सेफ नहीं, जहां दलित सेफ नहीं है, जहां जम्मू कश्मीर के इज्जत आबरू पे डाका डाल के हमें बेइज्जत करने की कोशिश की गई. We are not comfortable.
I think the first question that should be asked of her is that on the one hand she claims to be the so-called mainstream politician of India, and on the other hand she has reservations in carrying the tricolour, which happens to be the national flag of India. They sometimes tend to be even more dangerous than the apparently identified separatist groups and separatist leaders, because they have cultivated the art and craft of swearing by Mother India, saying Bharat Mata ki Jai when in the position of power. The moment they are ousted out of power, they start swearing by Pakistan, they start questioning the integration of Jammu and Kashmir.
Mehbooba Mufti has made the seditious remarks. She is trying to instigate the common Kashmiris against the country. I request the Honorable Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir to take cognizance of the statement of Mehbooba Mufti and book her under sedition charges and put her behind the bars. We will not tolerate such misdeeds of the anti-national forces. We will not tolerate a leader like Mehbooba Mufti.
Shuja ul Haq is joining us live from Srinagar with more details on this. Shuja, good morning. A lot of reactions that are coming in to Mehbooba's press conference yesterday, and particularly her comment on the national flag, on the tricolour. And is this something that really the entire Gupkar Alliance stands with, her comment about the national flag?
Well, we'll have to really wait and see what the other associates of hers in the alliance would say. But broadly, what she has said yesterday in her first press conference after her release, though definitely came in a very sharp manner and attacked the centre and the BJP for what they have done in terms of removing the special status of Jammu and Kashmir last year, and also taking away the Article 370, is something that the rest of the partners in the alliance do agree with. If you remember, we have ran their interviews, their comments, their statements in past couple of weeks. Leaders like Omar Abdullah, Farooq Abdullah, Sajjad Ghani Lone and others have clearly said that they would continue to fight to bring back Article 370. So the overall theme, understanding is the same. The going forward does seem that these parties would at this point of time work together to somehow try and reverse those decisions. Whether that happens or not is something that we'll have to wait and see. But what Mehbooba Mufti said, it seems that she went a little further and that's why she has also drawn a lot of flack from the other opposition parties, particularly BJP. We'll have to really see how the day goes by, because we are anticipating more reactions in this issue.
All right, we'll keep tracking the latest and also the political reactions that come in. For the moment, Shuja, thank you for joining us.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.